I'm gonna work hard, play hard, yeah. I play my first card, ace hard, yeah. They know I play smart, play hard. We don't have the same star, we don't have the same cards, yeah.
So because it's snowing and we can't go out and enjoy the cars today, we're gonna go ahead and tint the taillights on my buddy's new 2018 Charger Hellcat. You know, just the inserts here. So I'm gonna do an install video on that for you guys. The product is made by Luxe Auto Concepts. I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, so that's what today's video is gonna be. So before we get started here, we're gonna take the wash mitt and just wash the back of the car down, and the bumper, and get in on the tail light here, wash all that off. There's dirt and road grime on there, so we're going to make sure that's clean before we apply the tint. Alright, so what we got here is the tinted dark smoke taillight film from Luxe Auto Concepts. This is exactly how it looked once I opened the box. So we've got our, looks like we've got both sides for the reverse light. Looks like they gave us a third for maybe an extra, just in case we screw up putting it on. And then we got the two longer pieces here for the brake light and the reflector. So that's what came inside here, along with an installation kit. They provide some prep spray. I guess it's like alcohol. Basically gets the mixed with water, gets the all the contaminants off the tail light before you apply the film. Since I already washed it, we're all set on that, so I'm not going to use that. I'm also going to put these on dry. I know some people put them on with a soapy water, and that way they're, you know, it's flexible on, you know, as far as lining everything up. But when I installed them on my 2017 Charger, I didn't use any solution when I put them on. I just put them on dry, and it worked out good. So yeah, we ended up going with the dark smoke from Luxe Auto Concepts. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below on where you guys can order these up for yourself. They make a whole bunch of different accessories and tints and whatnot for any vehicle, not just Mopar stuff. So I'll drop that link in the description below for you guys to check out. Again, it's Luxe Auto Concepts, and we are applying the dark smoke taillight tint on a 2018 Charger Hellcat. So yeah, before you start, you want to make sure the surface is clean from any debris, road dirt, dust, anything. So yeah, make sure that's clean. Like I said, I recommend going over it with a wash mitt and then drying it afterwards with a microfiber. That way you know they're clean and ready to tint. We're going to go ahead and do the right side first. I recommend doing the larger piece first and then the smaller piece. That way you can line them up easier that way. So. What I recommend doing for these outer ones is overlapping it a little bit on this side so that you can wrap it around the tail light. That way when you're washing it in the future, your wash mitt doesn't snag an edge and you know, rip it off. So you want to just wrap it around the edge just like that. That way, like I said, nothing can snag it or grab it if you're washing the car, and that way you know it's on there good. So there's the final product on this side. just like that, the taillights are tinted. So much better. I don't know why they don't come like that from the factory, but man, what a difference. And that's Luxe Auto Concepts Dark Smoke Tint. I also tinted the side markers on this car too, just like I did on my Hellcat. I use 18% window film to do my side markers. I put it over it and then I use a X-Acto blade and cut around the reflector, and it turns out good. Luxe Auto Concepts also sells overlays for these, but figured I'd save 25 bucks and do it myself. This badge for 2018 is different, and it comes like a brushed aluminum, and we both thought that on the Destroyer gray car the black badge would look better, so I ended up plasti dipping the badge black, and then I used a paint pen, a red paint pen, and painted the eye red, just to give it that extra special touch. And it matches the red brake calipers on the car too. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like the badge? Let me know. So that completes today's video, guys. Make sure you browse the channel and subscribe. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.